Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for those who've already watched the videos. Thank you guys. If you're watching this for the first time, my name is Ruth Kwamby. This channel is all about healthy juices, smoothies, and a bit of travel. And please, before we go on, support this channel by hitting that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. You will always be the first to get notified when we have a new video coming in. And for those who've already subscribed and are enjoying watching the videos, thank you so much, and welcome back to another video. Just from the video title today, we are going to do juice for the eyes. This is a juice request. Sorry that I've taken long to do this juice request, but now finally this juice is here. I'm going to show you how we can make a juice for our eyes so that we improve our eyesight. I know that people who have these eyesight issues and would really want to get to know more about this. So I'm going to show you how we make juice for the eyes, and I'm also going to mention some of the foods that you can incorporate to have healthy vision and healthy eyes. And I'm also going to mention the do's and the don'ts in this particular video. So please make sure you stay with me till the end of this video. This is so nice. Actually, the taste is good, and it's just very good. It's going to help and soothe your eyes. Really, it's going to help you. So what are other things that you need to incorporate? What other foods can you incorporate so that you have healthy vision? Make sure you eat a lot of legumes. Incorporate legumes in your diet. Eggs, zucchini. Eat a lot of nuts. Make sure you eat cucumbers. You see, I included cucumbers and carrots and all these foods here. Make sure you eat them. By the way, if you've not watched the juice on benefits of incorporating cucumbers in your diet or cucumber juice, the link is up here. Make sure you check on it. Check the benefits that cucumbers can give you, including enhanced vision. You can also incorporate eggs in your diet. If you eat eggs, just incorporate them. They will help you. We incorporated carrots in this juice, and I have a juice on carrots. By the way, make sure you check it out. There are so many benefits that carrots can give us, including enhanced vision. So make sure you check it out and know the benefits that carrots have. In your diet, you can also include beans. They're very good. Include citrus fruits. All these, including spinach, tomatoes, they're very helpful if you want to enhance your vision. And by the way, remember we have celery in this juice. I have specifically a separate juice on how you can make celery juice and what are the benefits of celery in our diet. Check this link up here and make sure you incorporate celery in your diet, and also know the benefits of why we really have celery. Now for our eyes, we need all these combined so that we can enhance our vision. Please make sure you incorporate them in your diet. What are the do's? What are the things that you need to do? Number one, make sure you get a good sleep. Sleep well. If you don't sleep well, it affects our vision. Number two, make sure you drink lots and lots of water, because our eyes need to be rehydrated. That's why even we have cucumbers here. They are very good in rehydration of our bodies. Make sure you drink lots and lots of water. Make sure you take care of your eyes. Avoid scratching or touching your eyes with dirty hands. That means make sure you wash your hands before you touch your eyes. Have very good hygiene when you're talking about eyes. You need to exercise. Yes, somebody would wonder how exercise has to do with eyes. We need healthy eyes. We need blood circulating well in our bodies. Make sure you do exercise and you'll be fine. On a sunny day, make sure you wear sunglasses. Yes, because sometimes those strong sun rays affect our eyes. Make sure you incorporate them. Apart from the do's, what are the don'ts? What are things that we should stay away from? Number one, stay away from alcohol, stay away from caffeinated drinks. They really don't help so much when we're talking about vision. Make sure you stay away from them. They will not really help. Avoid sugars. They are not good. Try to avoid fatty foods. All these things would not enhance your vision if you have them in your diet. So try to make sure you avoid them and stay away from them. Otherwise, you guys, thank you so much for staying with me till the end of this video, and thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think about it, and please, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Please remember to leave a comment in the comment box so that we know what you think about this juice or what you have incorporated in your daily diet that really helps improve your vision. Thank you so much, you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your post notifications. I hope to see you in my next video.